Welcome to this comprehensive guide on best practices for TD Bank Online Banking. This tutorial will walk you through the essential steps to ensure a safe and efficient online banking experience. First, it is essential to enroll in TD Bank Online Banking by visiting the official website and following the registration process. You will need your account information and a valid email address to complete the enrollment. Once enrolled, the first step is to create a strong and unique password. A strong password should be at least 8 characters long. Include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. It is also crucial to avoid using easily guessable information such as your name, birth date, or common words. Next, enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. This feature requires both your password and a verification code sent to your registered phone or email to access your account. To navigate the online banking platform, start by familiarizing yourself with the dashboard. The dashboard provides an overview of your accounts, including account balances, transaction history, and upcoming bills. You can also customize your dashboard to display the information most relevant to you. To pay bills online, select the Bill Pay option and enter the payee information. You can also set up recurring payments and schedule payments in advance. It is essential to verify the payee information and payment amount before submitting the payment. Another critical feature of TD Bank Online Banking is transfer funds. You can transfer funds between your TD Bank accounts or to external accounts. To transfer funds, select the transfer option and enter the recipient account information. Verify the account information and transfer amount before completing the transaction. In addition to these features, TD Bank Online Banking also offers budgeting tools to help you track your expenses and stay on top of your finances. You can categorize your transactions, set budget goals, and receive alerts when you exceed your budget. To ensure the security of your account, regularly review your account activity and report any suspicious transactions to TD Bank. You should also keep your browser and operating system up to date to protect against malware and other online threats. Finally, take advantage of the TD Bank mobile banking app to access your accounts on the go. The mobile app offers many of the same features as the online banking platform, including bill pay, transfer funds, and account monitoring. By following these best practices, you can ensure a safe and efficient online banking experience with TD Bank. Remember to always prioritize security, verify account information, and take advantage of the features and tools available to you. With TD Bank Online Banking, you can manage your finances with confidence and convenience.